In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Facebook Marketplace without having a Facebook account. If you've ever wondered how you can browse through the throng of unique items on Facebook Marketplace without actually signing up for Facebook, you've come to the right place. Grab a drink, sit back, and let's dive into these valuable tips. You might think having a Facebook account is the only way to access their marketplace, but that's not quite the case. First off, many local buy and sell posts reside within Facebook groups or public pages that you can access without an account. Here's a nifty trick. Leverage Google. By using specific queries like cite facebook.com for sale, your city, or Facebook buy and sell city, you can easily find public group posts and seller pages. These should be accessible directly from Google's search results, letting you explore marketplaces without even logging in. Now let's say you're looking for something specific like an iPhone 12 in Manila. Here you can search on Google using the item name with the added word Facebook. Sometimes Google indexes public listings or screenshots, giving you the window to view them devoid of any login requirement. It's like peeking into the Facebook marketplace from the outside. Next, focus on the sellers themselves. Some small businesses and individual sellers opt to post their items on public Facebook pages instead of the marketplace. These pages are frequently viewable by the public and can be a treasure trove of listings that you won't want to miss. Simply visit these public profiles or pages to see what they have to offer. Occasionally, you might stumble upon a great listing through a shared link from other social media or online forums. In such cases, don't hesitate to follow that link. It might just lead you to exactly what you need. If not, consider reaching out to the seller via other platforms like WhatsApp or Messenger. Asking them for direct links or even screenshots of the listings can also work wonders. As an alternative, remember that many sellers often cross-post their items on different platforms. Websites like Carousel, Shopee, Lazada, or OLX frequently mirror listings found on Facebook. By exploring these platforms, you'll likely find the same items available for purchase, broadening your options without needing a Facebook account. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room. If you need the full range of services offered by Facebook Marketplace, like in-depth search options, filters, saved searches, and convenient messaging features, creating an account is the way to go. While it might seem daunting due to privacy concerns, rest assured that you can configure your account with stringent privacy settings and minimal profile information. And there you have it. While exploring Facebook Marketplace without an account has its limitations, these strategies offer an effective workaround, letting you peruse the goods without diving into the full Facebook experience. Happy browsing, and I hope you find exactly what you're looking for.